What is going on, guys? I am Consumer Tech Review, and today we're going to be reviewing the GS510 Waltz. These are the brand new RGB speakers from Redragon. And if at any point during the video you want to check out these exact same speakers, all the Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada, I do got you guys. But let's get these things unboxed and see if they are any good. All right, guys, unboxing the GS510s. These speakers look really, really good. They got a bunch of stuff all over them, really nice packaging. You know Redragon does a good job with that. And there are the speakers, okay? They come out one at a time. Whoops. You got the manual and a Redragon sticker. Then you got the speakers themselves, which feel pretty good. Okay, right out of the box, you got USB for power, and then you got 3.5mm for the actual sound, which is good. On top, very similar to their other ones, this is how you're gonna change the RGBs that are right there and there, which I do like because you can actually turn these off, have them no RGB, and they still look pretty good. They feel pretty good, obviously all plastic construction, but this looks really nice back there, although you're not gonna see it very much, but does have that. And a minimal but a clean design. This is the black rotary kind of wheel for turning it on. Looks like up and down. Really nice. Got 4 rubber pads at the bottom. Actually, these are not rubber, these are actually foam. So actually for vibration, which is really good. Let's throw these things on the desk. They look pretty simple, minimal, but clean. And I think this RGB is gonna look pretty sick. All right, here we are on the desk. We got the speakers here. Let's get this unhooked and get these things set up. Right away, a pretty long cable here. Right off the bat, it looks like this could be a little bit longer. You can see, it goes from here to here. So just long enough for a 34-inch ultra wide. But honestly, I think these should be a little bit longer. I reviewed the Edifier, and those were much longer than this. However, for most of you guys, it still shouldn't be a problem. I think this we'll be able to get away with because actually the speaker's gonna be here. So should be good, but do wish it was a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm gonna put them right there and there. I think that looks pretty good. Tuck the cable down here behind everything. Honestly, not too bad to cable manage. And this is a nice bendy cable. That's important for cable management. And bam, we got them plugged in. Okay, now they're all hooked up. Let's turn these things on, see how they look. Oh my gosh. Okay, the RGB, just from seeing it a little bit, it's very bright. I've got 2 lights over there. The colors are also really good. This is important with RGB because brightness is one thing, but colors are another. These things are super bright. All right, I think it's this one where it can change it. Oh, I like that. It's like a changing. That's red pulsing. You got that different kind of thing. Oh, it's all static. I do like that, that's new. Now a con that was with the other one, there's not a whole massive amount of RGB effects, which I really think there should be. But honestly, there's enough for most of you guys to have fun with these. And honestly, I think you're gonna wanna leave it in that awesome mode with all of the RGB rainbow. I like that, I think it's cool. But the ultimate test, obviously, is gonna be the sound quality. Let's take a listen. My mic's up there, so obviously, it's gonna be hard for you guys to know the exact quality of it, so you're just gonna have to trust what I hear. Right off the bat, very, very clear. I'm gonna tell that the trebles are clear, which is really good for FPS gaming, footsteps. The bass is not bad. They're a little treble high, but that's typical for just a 2.0 system with tweeters. Okay, yeah, so right off the bat, obviously bass is not crazy, but it's not bad. There definitely is bass. You definitely want a little bit more bass, but that's coming from a 2.1 system. If you guys are, not used to nice speakers, these are really crisp and clear. So if you guys really want to hear the gunshots, really want to hear the footsteps, these are going to be really, really nice. But the ultimate test, the gaming test, we have to do it. And y'all already know we're doing Warzone. This intro sounds good in this. It's clear, guys. It's so much clearer than I was expecting. I'm gonna tell you, these things do get loud. I wasn't expecting these to get super loud, but you can see right here, we got it at 44, which is about where I have it with other speakers, headphones, stuff like that. This thing isn't all the way up. Turn this thing all the way up, it gets much louder. So you can see, let's start to 100% really quick, minute apartment, I want people to bang on the walls, but loud. We're gonna put it back at 45, turn this down a little bit. So it is nice to know, this has a separate audio volume control than this, which is nice. I prefer that. Playing some Plunder. Enemy dropping into the wash the skies. Oh my God, these things are clear, guys. I have this at a pretty loud level, probably one that I would play at. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Oh, that was a pretty sick kill. Yeah, guys, this thing sounds good. You know exactly where the stuff is coming from, getting sniped, but they're clear. I mean, it's really clear. And honestly, for gaming, this is exactly what you want. You want something clear, you want to know exactly where everything's coming from. Also, easily, just one movement. It's nice and, I don't know how to say this, it's just really smooth. Easily turn it up and down, quite nice. And I like how simple it is. You just got that, you got the touch sensitive on the top, and it works well. It's easy to cable manage. I do wish it was a little bit longer. I wish the cable was a little bit longer, but so far in game, it's been really good. I mean, honestly, I'm blown away. Even my girlfriend said they were like, better than she was expecting. Oh, the gunfire, I can hear it coming from right over there. Man, the gunfire is really crisp. Really crisp, guys. Got him. Let's go, let's go. Guys, it's so crisp. And that is not at all a bad thing. You might think, hey, that might be a bad thing. No, it's really good. I mean, you just know where it's coming from. I'm probably gonna say crisp like a lot in this video, so drink every time I say crisp. Unless you're underage, then I don't promote underage drinking. I did get killed, but that's not because of the speakers. Yeah, obviously the bass is lacking, but that's just because it's not a 2.1 system. I don't think they're lacking for this price point. I mean, I literally just finished reviewing the G2000s, and those are great speakers. Obviously in a whole nother price range. Those are $100 for just the 2.0 system. These things are not that. I think they're like $30 below that. Haley, check that. How much are they?
33 bucks.
33 bucks. Okay, after reviewing the $100 G2000s, don't get me wrong, those are fantastic. They have Bluetooth, they got a lot of stuff, but for 33 bucks, these things are really good, and you get that front RGB. That's something that you don't get on a lot of speakers, and I'll tell you, a lot of people have sent me RGB speakers. Yeah, a lot of the RGB on RGB speakers is really freaking bad. They make these bright because they know you need them to be bright because your setups are usually gonna be bright. You got a bright screen, you got bright backlight. They do a good job. I mean, I'm really impressed. Honestly, there are so many budget gaming speakers out there and 99% of them suck. They really do. These don't suck. These sound really crisp, they sound really good. Obviously, don't expect to get $100 sound quality, but that's not the point of these speakers. This point of these speakers is to look good, look premium, look like they're expensive, and they do, and to give really good, crisp sound quality, and man, they do that perfectly. Guys, overall, is it worth it for the GS510s? Absolutely. I was absolutely blown away. Honestly, I would recommend these over the GS520 Anvils any day. I like the look of these things better, although I kind of, I don't know. I like them both, but I think I like these better. These sound really, really crisp. I think they sounded crisper than the Anvils. We can do a comparison if you guys want, but I think I prefer these. For 33 bucks, you're getting some really nice gaming speakers. Obviously, don't expect the whole like bass crazy out of this world, but do expect crispness. Expect those trebles and mids to be very clear. Expect to know exactly where the enemy is, and it sounds pretty good with music. Very listenable with music, but the gaming is really where it's at because that crispness. You know where those gunfire is coming from. You know where the footsteps are coming from. If you guys have terrible speakers, if you don't have any speakers, maybe you're rocking monitor speakers or laptop speakers, these will absolutely outdo those. And for 33 bucks, it's hard to beat them. Again, if you do want to go check this out, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love doing these speaker reviews. I did one all the way back when the GS520 Anvils came out, and those are really good. These are better. But guys, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, help me out and throw a like below. And if you enjoy gaming tech reviews, keyboard videos, speaker reviews, gaming speaker reviews, almost all gaming speaker reviews, gaming mice reviews, those types of videos, I do a ton of those, so please consider subscribing below. We are trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by June. It's creeping up really fast, actually, and I went through some hard times with the channel, knocked down the income a little bit. Views have been down because of that overall for like past videos. So I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe and help me out. But this was Consumer Tech Review, and I'll see you guys later.
Na, 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 na.